Hello, welcome back for lesson number 13. I put a title called Oops. I think you could imaginally guess that I made a mistake somewhere somehow. You are right. I made a mistake in a previous lesson. So how we're going to go and do a correction? So this is how we're going to show you that the correct way to solve the problem. So I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. So I hope you will learn something out of it. The content, yes, we need to open the file and then we need to do correction. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so this is the previous lesson file. So we did the top portion on the final. So after we did that, I supposed to prepare for the next lesson for the final cut or the bottom portion of this Batman logo part. So I realized that by the time I do investigation, and then I realized that I made a mistake on the previous rough out operation. So this is the right time to fix the problem, and then make the correction. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna close the hide that operation, and then we continue to open to show this operation. So there's mistake. So where is the mistake? So you can see that the sharp area was cut by the cutter during the rough out operation. So you can see that there are two paths on it. So maybe I was not so observant on the previous lesson. So I made a mistake on that, so I didn't realize. So after I did a verification on the visual, so I realized that the color is already changed to orange. So you can see that this is already minus 0.1. So that is a very big mistake. But good news is that along the way we learn something, we correct it. This is the programmer's duty, that always we need to change something to make the things right. So how we're gonna go about? So we need to go and edit. So what you need to change is because of the part tolerance is a very sharp, and also the path tolerance we need to find it, make it finer. So was 0.1, I think 0.01, but now we need to change it another 10 times more fine. Mean to say we need to increase the accuracy. So I make a two path is 0.001. So we can see that how we go about. So we do a calculate. Then you can see that the two path is actually correct. So they avoid the sharp corner and then do a round path along the way on the circumference of the Batman. So we do again on the solid verified. So make sure that everything is cut off and looking good. And we need to further examine the details on the path. So after we do the visual, so no longer having the orange color, so the rest of the color is already looking good. This is the previous, you can see that this is the bottom, I would say top face of the Batman logo. So you can see that this is already green, mean to say this is already sized. We need to final cut the lower portion, which is the sign color, on the next lesson. So everything's look good. We save this file. So bear with me. Let me switch the screen so I can show you how we do this correction. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you the step-by-step to do the correction. First thing first, we need to double click to hide the previous operation. We make the rough out operation visible and confirm again by doing the solid verified. To do that, we just need to do a solid verified, a quick one, to show you how is it. And the next step is going to do the analysis visual, and I'm going to flip the part so that you can see the detail. Yes, you can see the orange color, which is the mistake that I made. Let us go back to the main screen to do the correction. Before that, so also I need to show you by clicking the view align with the plane. You can see that the cutter actually cut across the sharp edges. So we need to make a correction for it by clicking the edit, go into the main menu of the edit zone. So go for the path and tolerance. It was 0.01. I need to go to 0.001. So we add a 0.001, and that is good for it. Let us do a calculate. to see whether the way that we do is correct. Seems like the path is actually corrected by using this method. The two paths actually avoid the sharp edges. Okay, we can make it good and do a solid verify. Let us tilt the part a little bit so that we can see it better. So yes, we can play. Everything is done, so let us do one more time on the visual analysis. Look at the area. Yeah, the green color still inside. That is good, whereby there is a curve here for the final machining. So everything looks good. Let us exit from it. Yes, we can go back and then save the file for this time. So this part is already corrected, so we're going to proceed for the final cutting on the next lesson. So I see you again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.